Opened in 1930, Riga Central Market quickly gained recognition as one of the largest and most modern markets in Europe at the time. What makes it particularly unique is its architectural ingenuity. The market's 5 massive pavilions were constructed by repurposing old German Zeppelin hangars from World War I. These hangars, originally built for military aviation, were transformed into soaring Art Deco structures, combining steel frameworks and glass facades with Latvian flair. Each pavilion, dedicated to different food groups such as fish, meat, dairy, vegetables, and gastronomy, presents a unique sensory experience, yet collectively, they create a harmonious mosaic of flavors and colors.
We are now at the Central Market, and the Central Market is the main market of Riga. And this is what it looks like. They sell fruits and some other stuff, but in here, this is where some people can eat at restaurants and some other more stores are.
More than just a place to buy food, Riga Central Market serves as a cultural crossroads. For locals, it's a cherished routine. Pensioners shop for the freshest milk and cottage cheese, while chefs hunt for premium ingredients to elevate their menus. For tourists, it offers a deep dive into Latvian life, raw, unfiltered, and authentic. Every item has a story. The honey sold by an old man in the dairy pavilion comes from his family's apiary in Latgale. The rye bread at the corner stand is still baked, according to a 19th century recipe. Here, food is not just sustenance, it's heritage. Over the decades, Riga Central Market has weathered economic shifts, political changes, and social transformations. After Latvia regained independence in 1991, the market underwent significant changes. While parts of it became more commercialized, many of its traditions remained untouched. Efforts have been made to modernize the facilities while preserving the character that defines it. Recent renovations have improved infrastructure and hygiene standards, allowing the market to adapt to contemporary expectations while safeguarding its soul. Walking through the market is a journey for the senses. The moment you step inside, you're enveloped by a swirl of scents: the pungency of smoked meats, the earthy aroma of fresh produce, the salty tang of fish. The chatter of merchants, each with their distinct regional accent, blends with the clinking of scales and the rustle of plastic bags. Outside the pavilions, the open-air sections buzz with stalls selling seasonal fruits, local crafts, clothing, and even Soviet-era curiosities. Elderly women in patterned headscarves sell wildflowers and homemade pickles, while younger vendors promote craft beers and organic snacks, symbolizing the market's fusion of generations and lifestyles.
Bread.
The market also plays a vital role in the city's culinary evolution. Latvia's burgeoning food scene often finds its roots here. Many of Riga's top chefs visit daily to select ingredients, drawing inspiration from local produce and traditional methods. The availability of wild mushrooms, forest berries, freshwater fish, and artisanal cheeses supports a return to seasonal and sustainable cooking. Meanwhile, food stalls and small cafes within the market allow visitors to taste local specialties on the spot: gray peas with bacon, smoked eel, sauerkraut soup, and more.
I know. The famous cat. Christian might be hungry.
The market's location is symbolic in itself. It sits near the Daugava River, just steps from Riga's old town and close to the city's major transport hubs. This accessibility has long made it a central meeting point for city dwellers and rural farmers alike. During the Soviet era, the market was one of the few places where people could obtain food and goods not readily available elsewhere. Despite the restrictions and surveillance of the time, it remained a vital artery in the city's economic and social life. Today, in a free and independent Latvia, the market retains its democratic spirit, a place where everyone, regardless of status or background, is welcome. Whether you're a local shopping for Sunday dinner or a traveler seeking authenticity, Riga Central Market offers more than you expect. It's not just the largest market in the Baltics. It's one of the richest expressions of Latvian spirit you'll ever encounter.